Beware of false knowledge. It is more dangerous than ignorance. Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire. You will what you imagine, and at last you create what you will. You see things, and you say why, but I dream things that never were, and I say, why not? The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Make it a rule never to give a child a book you would not read yourself. The liar's punishment is not in the least that he is not believed, but that he cannot believe anyone else. Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. The man who writes about himself and his own time is the only man who writes about all people and all time. Better keep yourself clean and bright. You are the window through which you must see the world. When a man wants to murder a tiger, he calls it sport. When a tiger wants to murder him, he calls it ferocity. Liquor is the chloroform which enables the poor man to endure the painful operation of living. There are two tragedies in life. One is to lose your heart's desire. The other is to gain it. Why shouldn't we take advice on sex from the Pope? If he knows anything about it, he shouldn't. When a thing is funny, search it carefully for a hidden truth. Without art, the crudeness of reality would make the world unbearable. Life does not cease to be funny when people die any more than it ceases to be serious when people laugh. The most tragic thing in the world is a man of genius who is not a man of honor. We learn from experience that men never learn anything from experience. He who can does. He who cannot teaches. The power of accurate observation is commonly called cynicism by those who have not got it. Doing what needs to be done may not make you happy, but it will make you great. You'll never have a quiet world till you knock the patriotism out of the human race. We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. First love is only a little foolishness and a lot of curiosity. A gentleman is one who puts more into the world than he takes out. It is dangerous to be sincere unless you are also stupid. To be in hell is to drift. To be in heaven is to steer. Happy is the man who can make a living by his hobby. Only in books has mankind known perfect truth, love, and beauty. As long as I have a want, I have a reason for living. Satisfaction is death. My way of joking is to tell the truth. It's the funniest joke in the world. Do not do unto others as you would that they should do unto you. Never wrestle with pigs. You both get dirty and the pig likes it. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. There is no love sincerer than the love of food. Hatred is the coward's revenge for being intimidated. You don't stop laughing when you grow old. You grow old when you stop laughing. Youth is wasted on the young. I'm an atheist, and I thank God for it. All great truths begin as blasphemies. If you want to tell people the truth, make them laugh. Otherwise, they'll kill you. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. The reasonable man adapts himself to the world. The unreasonable one persists in trying to adapt to the world to himself. Animals are my friends, and I don't eat my friends. Liberty means responsibility, and that is why most men dread it. Confusing monogamy with morality has done more to destroy the conscience of the human race than any other error. I do not know what I think until I write it. You are going to let the fear of poverty govern your life, and your reward will be that you will eat, but you will not live. Get out of my way, for I won't stop you. Take care to get what you like, or you will be forced to like what you get. A miracle, my friend, is an event which creates faith. The more I see of the moneyed classes, the more I understand the guillotine. I have my own soul, my own spark of divine fire. A man of my spiritual intensity does not eat corpses. Hell is full of musical amateurs. Shall I turn up the light for you? No, give me deeper darkness. Money is not made in the light. The golden rule is that there are no golden rules. But to admire a strong person and to live under that strong person's thumb are two different things. Bear it like a man, even if you feel it like an ass. In an ugly and unhappy world, the richest man can purchase nothing but ugliness and unhappiness. A fashion is nothing but an induced epidemic